Welcome to this demonstration video of Cyclone version 8's new scripting function. Inside of Cyclone 8 we are using Python to write scripts that can be run inside of the Cyclone model space. Under User Applications, the new menu item, there's a placeholder for pre-installed scripts to be inserted. There's also a Scripting Manager to set up new scripts in the menu. You simply pick a placeholder and enter a new name, Bent 100 for example. You can add a description, and then you can go ahead and pick the Python script to add. We're going to add this one here. Just going to put it in the placeholder, and we're going to say OK. When we use the User Apps menu again, we can see our new entry called Bent 100. We're going to use this script to show you how this scripting function can work inside of Cyclone. So a bent, or a steel structure support for a pipe rack, to be inserted here, we have a user created script created by us that will take this piece of steel and create one along the horizontal and then vertical part of this structure automatically. So we start the script, create bent, says pick a single steel, so we go ahead and pick, and the structure is created. And you can actually create another one and another one until you actually end the script by pressing escape and then closing the menu. You can see here that this was created automatically and represents a very common structure that a modeler would want to create many times over. And this is the power of the scripting function. Inside of Cyclone and with the Python scripting language, you can apply this type of modeling and automatic insertion of objects to any of the supported objects inside of Cyclone. As an example of another script, we can run one that says get information on objects. I'm going to go ahead and pick this box here and then run get information, and then it will come up with the result. So here's the information. It's a rectangular box. Here's the origin point where you picked, and the XYZ intersection of the origin of the object, and then the database information of the object also is displayed. The supported functions that we've included inside of Cyclone scripting functionality is the ability to get information on any object, copy that object that you've picked to another part of the model space, and as was shown in the bent example, you can create structures automatically. We have another script called create ladder, and works in a similar way. You do a couple picks and a rudimentary ladder will be created. The scripting function inside of Cyclone 8 can be used to create a wide variety of objects automatically to simplify the modeling process inside of Cyclone.